Hi!
The reason for return disputes or business losses caused by purchasing components with the wrong type is that the purchasing or sales staff do not have enough know about chip's naming rule, and the chip types they receive are not complete enough. The relevant staff do not know about this. FPGA high-performance components are often more expensive. If you get it wrong, the loss will be even greater. Today we use the table to analyze the naming rules of most chips of the Altera Cyclone series, and we'll talk about why the Altera Cyclone series has a high chance of being replaced by Chinese chip. Most models of the Altera Cyclone series are composed of the following named modules: Family Series, Series Characteristics. It should be noted here that not all products are composed of series characteristics, device type, member code, and support for quick turn-on function. Note that this function is not available for everyone. Each model has its package pin number, temperature, speed, and packaging information. Let's take a look at this model first. EP4C is the first generation product of Cyclone and belongs to the family series. E represents the characteristic of this model. E means enhanced logic and memory. The 14-member code responds to the number of logical units, usually named with the number above the 1,000 digits of the number of logical units. For example, if there are 10,320 logical units, 10 is used as the codename. F represents packaging type FPGA. 29, the representative pin number is 718 pins. C represents the commercial temperature 0 to 85 degrees. 8 represents the speed grade, and the N represents lead free. Let's take a look at another model. EP3C means Cyclone's first generation products correspond to the family series. 25 is the member code corresponding to the number of logical units. F is the packaging type. This is the FPGA packaging. 324 is the number of pins. C represents the operating temperature. 7 represents the speed grade. N represents lead free. Let's take a look at the EP2C model. First of all, EP2C is the second generation products family series of Cyclone. This model has no series features here. 17 is the device type. A is first turn on. F is the packaging type FPGA. 324 is the number of pins. C is the operating temperature, which represents the commercial temperature 0 to 85 degrees. 7 is the speed grade, and ES represents the engineering sample. Why is the Altera Cyclone series more likely to be replaced by Chinese chips? There are two main reasons. Opponents have given Chinese chips opportunities. After Altera was acquired by Intel, it preferred to make high-profit products. Do not look at the low technical threshold of poor FPGA series, and with the opportunity of shortages in the past 2 years, you just urgently need another cheaper alternative, and Chinese chip products that are compatible with the Altera Cyclone series of FPGAs appear. FPGA started in 1990s and was one of the first categories of processor chips to be replaced by Chinese chips. It is different in the past. China's FPGA is now gradually entering the industrial, communications, and automotive markets. If you have any other idea about the naming rule and application of Altera Cyclone series products, please leave a message and tell me. I'm Arina. See you next time. Bye.